This is Xiaomi 13 Ultra in green leather finish, and yes guys, Xiaomi is not playing games anymore. The best in class Ultra is coming. So the design is not anything like the Xiaomi 12s Ultra. Here the color is slight same, but the main design change is that extended metallic side edge curve finish and then a layer of leather on top. So what Xiaomi did is they didn't wrap the whole back with leather. They left the frame and side edges but made the leather finish go all the way to top and bottom, giving it a unique fresh look. So I like this design a lot, and can be seen we have fantastic quad cameras in a circular thick module, some supporting sensors and a vertical Leica logo. Here's a live image of the Xiaomi 13 Ultra with camera grip case and a filtered lens mount. So additional kit for those who love photography, the final product is gonna look like this. Now Xiaomi says the 13 Ultra is a super flagship, got new VC cooling system and have one of the most brightest display. Xiaomi have done some changes in terms of the battery life too. The new Surge P2 and G1 chip will make it super power efficient. They say the last 1% of battery can give you an hour of juice in the emergency long battery mode. So this paired with 8 Gen 2 is gonna give you long lasting battery life. Summing up, the official launch is happening on 18th, and the Xiaomi 13 Ultra packs the best in class camera with Leica icing on top, Qualcomm's 8 Gen 2 silicon Surge chip for power efficiency, this IP68, bright display and whatnot. This is Xiaomi Band 8 with 1.62-inch AMOLED display, and the best part is it can be worn as a pendant or on your shoe or as a wristwatch. So as surely is cool, and this all guys, thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, subscribe and peace out.